I wanted to share a couple of Sheaths designs from last few days. This is the one that I showed in the last video, just a simple leather sheath. It's pretty good quality leather, impregnated with wax, so it's actually really, you know, very hard. But I think still, if you really try, if you insert the knife right here on the inside, especially a sharp knife with a very sharp tip like this, you could probably cut it right there or right there. I sold or gave away one knife a while ago, and the customer actually punctured it right here. The first time he put it back in the sheath. And I understand that some of it is an experience, but some of it is also just, you know, sheath design that can be cut. So I think with Kydex, this probably would not happen. So I started making these kind of sheaths. This has a Kydex insert, so it's basically a piece of Kydex that's molded over this knife. It's glued in there. It's not attached in any way. It's glued with barge cement and just stitched. Over here has the real belt loop. And this one definitely cannot be cut through from the inside. The retention on these is excellent. I mean, it's just beautiful. Not too much. There's a little bit of wobble, but it's really negligible, and because of the leather, it doesn't sound quite as bangy as you would expect from a Kydex sheath. But comes out with one finger, and then this is pretty nice. Unfortunately, this Kydex was light colored. Probably would be better if it was black, but that's what we have. They're fairly easy to make. They're probably as easy or maybe a little bit easier to make than the regular leather sheath if you have all the equipment. And then I wanted to show you another one. Just finished today. This is another knife from a while ago. This is the knife, just a simple 1095 6-inch blade. And this is the sheath. It's the same idea. Again, leather outside and Kydex inside. Here you cannot see a lip because this leather is hard enough where you can just push it with your finger. Again, glued in there. I don't know how long the glue will last. I don't know if this is something that's temporary or something that will last forever. I'm thinking of a way to attach them more permanently. I have some solutions, but I don't know if it's if they're really, you know, aesthetically pleasing and they will not damage the knife on the inside. So I don't know, but the retention on this one is also just awesome. And again, is there a little bit of wobble? I mean, very little. And one finger. So that's what I wanted to show. Potentially I'll make another video about how I make them if anybody's interested.